Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be talking about the latest financial results of SCL Tech, India's third largest IT services company. Let's dive into the details. Revenue growth guidance. SCL Tech, based in Noida, has maintained its revenue growth guidance for financial year 25 in the range of 3 to 5%. This means they expect their revenue to grow by this percentage over the year. First quarter performance. For the first quarter of financial year 25, SCL Tech reported net profit of rupees 4,257 crore. This is a 20.4% increase compared to the same period last year and a 6.8% increase compared to the previous quarter. Their revenue for the first quarter was rupees 28,057 crore, which is a 6.7% increase year on year. However, it was slightly down by 1.6% compared to the previous quarter. Despite this, SCL Tech revenue and the profit numbers slightly exceeded Bloomberg's estimates. Total contract value. The total contract value, also called TCV, for the first quarter was 1.96 billion, showing a 25% increase year on year. However, it was down 14% compared to the fourth quarter of financial year 24. Growth expectations. The company expects growth in all sectors and regions except for the financial services. They have guided for EBIT, earning before interest and taxes, margin to be between 18 and 19%. Geographical performance. Geographically, North America and Europe continue to be the strong growth areas for SCL Tech. While some larger peers saw a decline in the US growth, SCL Tech reported an 8% year-on-year growth in the North America and a 3% growth in Europe. The rest of the world saw a decline of 3.6%. Industry vertical performance. In terms of industry verticals, telecommunication, media, publishing, and entertainment shows the highest growth at 69.2%. However, the banking, financial services, and insurance sector, which is a significant for the industry, declined by 1.3% year on year. That's all for today updates on SCL, latest financial performance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Thank you for watching.